Hello everyone. Today we are going to build a web application that allow us answer questions by uploading the text file that contains those questions by using IBM WatsonX with Code Engine. First, what we have to do is generate a file that contains a list of questions that you want to solve. Then you choose those questions that you have, and later uh, you wait that the program will connect to WatsonX, and later on they will solve the questions and they will print them. For example, here you have all the questions and all the answers. Okay, that's all.